If you've been dealing with brain fog, forgetting people's names, or you're concerned about Alzheimer's and all these brain diseases, you're gonna wanna watch this video. I'm gonna give you 3 reasons why ketones are far superior than glucose when it comes to brain health. Let's do this. Hey Keto Camper, Ben Azadi here, certified functional health practitioner, best-selling author. I'm gonna break down why we all should be using ketones for fuel to power the brain. If you wanna be a rock star with your business, with your relationships, if you wanna just have that mental clarity and focus, ketones are where it's at. When you're producing ketones, neurons in the brain are actually protected. Ketones provide an alternate fuel source to glucose that boosts neurons, it's protective, and it boosts mitochondria in the nerve cells. This is similar to exercising your muscle and growing that muscle. When you produce ketones, you're exercising your brain. You're boosting your brain muscle, your brain power. I'm gonna read to you a quote from Henderson 2008 that's powerful when it comes to what the ketones are doing to the brain. Think of it as rocket fuel for your brain. Quote, throughout much of human evolution, ketosis likely served as a valuable survival mechanism to fuel brain metabolism during times of food scarcity. Hence, in some ways, the modern diet can be considered keto deficient. Powerful quote. So here are 3 reasons why you should choose ketones as your primary fuel source for not just the body, but also the brain. Ketones provide the brain with 3 times more energy than glucose. Think about that. That means you have 3 times more firing power. You get to recall names 3 times faster. You get to solve problems 3 times faster. If you are an entrepreneur and you are not utilizing ketones, watch what it does for your business. Watch what it does for everything you're working on in life. That's reason number 1. Reason number 2, the brain takes up just 2% of the total body, but it sucks up 20% of the energy. The brain is a vital organ. It uses a lot of the body's energy. So why not give the brain what it wants, which is fat, which is ketones, as opposed to glucose? Because when you're burning glucose all the time, you get all this gunked up protein lodged into the brain. You have brain fog, you forget people's names, and it could lead to diseases like Alzheimer's and things that are really nasty and devastating. Ketones are a powerful way to protect the brain. As I mentioned a few seconds ago, it protects your neurons. The 3rd reason, 25% of the cholesterol in the body is found in the brain. You might ask why? Well, the brain is 70% fat. The brain loves fat. Think about a baby that's born into this world getting breast milk from their mother. That breast milk has saturated fat, cholesterol, and protein, and it actually helps the baby produce ketones, which helps the development of the brain. You see how this just comes full circle? Now, there is the right way to produce ketones, which I call healthy keto, and there is a wrong way, which is dirty keto. I want you to know and understand the difference between the two. So you can watch videos on my channel, and I really distinguish between the two. If you haven't gotten my Keto Kickstart Guide, go to www.ketokickstartguide.com and learn 4 ways to burn fat and produce ketones instead of sugar. If this video has been helpful to you, please take a few seconds and hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the Keto Camp YouTube channel. We are the exclusive channel for all things keto, fasting, longevity, and performance. Make sure you hit the bell so when I go live or I release a new video, you're notified right away. I want to get to the YouTube comment of the day. This comes from Michael Parker. Michael says, awesome stuff as usual, Ben. I have recently started to practice meditation and it is really helping me out a lot. Stress is a major issue for people. I'm starting to master it now, and I definitely feel like I am turning into a better person. Michael, you are a better person, brother. Good job with your meditation. Good job mastering stress. Owning stress is crucial to your keto results. Michael, thank you. If you have a question, put it down below. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was. Let me know if you're producing ketones. Are you fueled by ketones? Like my shirt says, coffee and ketones. If you are, drop it down below. Let me know that you're powered by ketones, and I really appreciate you watching this entire video. Have an awesome rest of your day. You'll see me in the next video.